Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the top table border style in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to change the top table border. Firstly, insert a table. Go to the Insert menu, then click the Table option and insert a table. Then click the table and move this table top, then resize the table some big. Now we click outside of the table and we can see here all borders are same style. Now we want to change the top table border style. Click the whole table, then go to the table design menu and click the 6pt pen wide and click borders drop down menu and choose the top border. Then click outside of the table and we can see we change the top table border style very easily. You can change the color of this table top border. Select again and go back again the design menu, then click line color option and choose any color. Then again the click borders, then choose top border. Then click outside of the table. Then we can see we change the top table border style very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.